Welcome to another InvoiceBerry tutorial. Today we learn how to mark an invoice as sent without actually sending it. Head over to the Invoices page, and here we've got a few invoices. Some are sent, some are overdue, and this one is in draft status. Hover over draft, click on it, and then select send, and there you go. The invoice has been marked as sent. Now, why would we like to do that? Because only an invoice that has been marked as sent can also turn overdue if it's past the due date. If you never mark an invoice as sent and it has never been sent via InvoiceBerry, then the system won't know that it's overdue.